Hey, I'm Josh from SportiesToolShop.com. Today I want to show you our 7-in-1 workbench platform. This platform's great, it's portable. Whether you're a DIYer or a contractor, this is a must-have. Right now, I'm going to show you the workbench setting. It measures 43 inches wide, 21.5 inches deep, and 31 inches high. It's great whether you're working on car parts, cutting boards. If you're cutting boards, it also has these little wedges here to hold your boards in place if you want to lay them across and cut, paint, measure, whatever. It has a built-in ruler here, protractor, and on the side it has a 4-outlet power strip. Also comes with a tool tray that's built in here to hold your screwdrivers, pliers, whatever you need. And it also holds 330 pounds. All right, the next feature I want to show is the scaffolding platform. To get to there, you're gonna push these locking buttons in, slide the legs up. While I'm doing that, I wanted to highlight something. If you're on uneven ground, it's got some self-leveling feet here, just for added safety. On this mode, it measures 43 inches wide, 21.5 inches deep, and it's 20 inches off the ground. This holds 550 pounds in that setting. It's great for if you're painting, changing a light bulb. If you lift this handle up here, it turns into our scaffolding mode, lock it into place. You can even take the tray here, clip it onto the handle. It's got holes to hold your screwdrivers, pliers, anything you need, screws. That way you don't have to keep bending over. It's just right here. All right, lastly, I'm gonna show you the dolly and the creeper mode. To get to that, we're gonna start putting these legs down. Just push these in, fold it down. It's got 4 casters here, 2 stationary, 2 rotating. So make sure those are out of your way when you're folding them down. Lay it flat. It's got a hole here. You can hook a carabiner and a rope, tow it behind you. Lift the handle up, drag it behind you, move heavy boxes, cases of water, old refrigerator, anything like that. We've also got you can lay on it here, turn it into a nice little creeper. It'll roll up underneath your car. It's got a nice carrying handle here, so you can move it. It weighs about 25 pounds. It folds to about 7 inches thick, so you can store it basically anywhere. Throw it in your trunk, take it with you somewhere to do a job. It's available at SportiesToolShop.com. If you like what you've seen today or want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.